guys, welcome back to Telugu One Fashion. So now I am with another interesting video. So this video is all about types of pants. So all girls love pants. Of course, who doesn't love pants? It's a part of fashion, right? It's a part of dressing. So there's so many different types of pants that we come across. So in this video, I will be talking about the different type of trendy pants that are available and how we can style it. Okay, so let's get started. So the first type of pant is Palazzo pant. So it's very comfortable, right? All the women out there loves it because it's very free and it's not so tight. Down from the waist, it's very, frilled and loose, and so it's very comfortable as well. So that's the best for kurtis also. It's in trend, of course. For kurtis it look good, and you can wear crop top on it and a turtleneck which comes till here, so that also looks very cool. So these are the ways that you can style a palazzo pant. So the next type of pant is leggings. So leggings is such a basic pant, right? It's from many years that we all use. All kind of age groups of women use it. So from our mothers, from our sisters, me, myself, and all of them. So it's mainly used for kurtis. It's very, comfortable. It's very stretchable, as you all know. So yeah, this is for leggings. So the next one is trousers. So trousers is actually only apt for people who go for office. So it's an office wear. So it's a kind of like a formal wear. So there's nothing much to style in that. So I just wanted to tell about it because it's also a type of pant. So trousers is only for that. I think it's good for office wear. So the next one is bell-bottom pants. So bell-bottom pants is also very comfy. It's very free because it's another version of palazzo pant, I can say, but in jeans material. So that's also very nice and it's on trend right now. So that's one of my favorites. So yeah, you can pair it up with crop tops, the skinny crop tops. It looks too good. So this is it. And the next one is a high waist jeans. Like you guys can see, I'm wearing a high waist jeans. This is my favorite. This is all girls' favorite jeans because it's basic and it's from many years that all of them use this. So as you can see, I've paired it up with a stiff white nice top. So you can wear it, and mainly now in trend, people wear the loose and free oversized tops on the skinny jeans. So that really looks fab. So yeah, this is one thing. So the next pant that I'm going to talk about is a hot pant. So you guys must be wondering, what kind of a pant is this? I mean, what is this term, right? So this little complicated term. The usual term that we all use is shorts. Okay, so it is called shorts. So this is early 1970s style. So this was like the short pant all came from then. So this is mainly used in summers, right? Because it's very free, comfortable while we wear. So you can style it up with crop tops, and you can style it up with normal loose and free or oversized tops as well. So it's like a multi-usable tops on the shorts. So the next pant I'm going to talk about is Jodhpuri pant. So it is a different kind of pant, okay? It's like a, what do I say? It's like a Punjabi, like a Patiala pants. It is a second type of version of that. Because it is puffed here around the thighs, and then again it's stiff, so it's very stylish. Mostly most of the dancers use those kind of pants, and few people who would want to try a funky style, they do try it. So that is actually one of my favorites. I'm waiting to try that kind of pant. So that is one kind of pant. And the next one is bootcut pant. So bootcut pant, how it looks like is it is stiff here, like from starting it comes stiff, and then it's like a frilled type, it's like a palazzo down. So it is like it gives a proper shape and all of that. So it's a different nice kind of pant, which you can style it with again crop tops and normal skin fit tops. So yeah, so this is it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Telugu One Fashion. Thank you.